Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to sew a collar to a shirt. Yeah, so let's start. So I won't measure the button stand, I'm just gonna measure the neckline. So my neckline is 16, so I'm gonna draw a right angle which is 8 by 4, but if you like you can make it 3 inches, 3 by to draw that right angle for my collar. So so this is the right angle. So for the stand of the collar I'm gonna use 1 inch, so I was marking 1 inch there, then I drew a line to separate the collar and the collar stand. So so there I mark half an inch, then there I mark 0.25 inch, and then I mark my button stand. Then I extended my collar by what I got by the width of my button stand. So it's 1 inch, so I mark 1 inch to extend the collar stand. So I draw a curvy line. So I was finishing my collar there, then I drew from that point that I just marked, I drew a line, then I join it to the collar. So I want it to be curvy, not straight, so I was making it to be. So if you don't want it pointy, you're gonna draw your collar to be curved there. So here you're gonna mark 0.25 inch, then that line I divide mark there, then I draw a line. That is where I'm going to stop to separate my collar. See, then I draw a curvy line. So this is the stand of the collar. That is the collar. So I'm gonna cut 2 pieces for each unfold. See, I was cutting it, so I was marking that you will cut it unfold. My collar stand, then I cut the collar. Please subscribe if you find any value in this video. So this is it. I added half an inch sewing allowance on the fabric. So this is it. I cut two pieces, and I also cut interfacing for my collar. So this is it. I went on to iron the interfacing on my collar. So now for the collar I'm gonna sew they're just like shown in video. So I stitched the collar together. Please like this video if you find any value in this video. I trimmed it and make small notches around the collar so it will rest well when I am done ironing it. So this is it after I press it. Yeah, so you will take the stand of the collar, you're gonna mesh the center of the collar with the center of the stand. Then you're gonna put the collar in between the stand. Then you're gonna pin it and sew just like shown in the video. So you're gonna sew like that. Yeah, so I went on to stitch the collar stand to the collar. I stitched the collar stand. After I was done stitching this collar stand, I went on to iron it. I ironed it. I ironed it. Then I was marking the center of my neckline for the shirt. So you see, I'm going to mark the center of the collar. I'm going to pin it to the shirt. Then I'm going to sew it. You see, going to sew it. When I was ironing the collar, I folded my sewing allowance and iron it on the other side of the collar stand, as you can see. Then the other side I pin it to the shirt just like you see shown on the video. So I sew it. Yeah, so I was done sewing it. Then I just pin it. So now I top stitch it to the neckline of the shirt. Then after I was done, I took it to the ironing. Then I ironed it. Then I was done with my collar. Yeah, so this is the collar after I was done ironing it. Yeah, thank you for watching.